All right, so we now have another example where we're going to determine the appropriate measure. And so they say the stem and leaf plot shows the scores on a recent math test. The teacher wants to know how spread out the scores are. We first need to find the best measure for the teacher to use and explain its meaning in the context of the situation. So the first part is because the teacher wants to know the spread of the data set, he or she should use a measure of, in this case, it is called variation. So remember, they're looking for that range, that spread. It's also known as the variation. The second thing is the data appears to be symmetrical, which we can see that because if we slice through the middle, it looks like it's pretty much the same on both sides, the upper and the bottom. Okay, and so it says the data set appears to be symmetrical. So the teacher can use remember when it's symmetrical, our variation, we can use the range. So we're going to say the range. And then finally, they want to know what the range is. And so we could figure that out, which I actually left the answer there, but we could figure that out by taking your highest number. So this is a stem and leaf plot. Remember, you take that stem and add it with the leaf. So it looks like it's 10 and then add the 0. So that's 100 as your highest number. And then minus 68. So take the 6 and the 8 and put them together. Okay. And so that range is 32. So the range is 32.